Welcome back to the workshop. A top tip today for the Myford ML7. The Myford ML7 has these oiling nipples, and about the only way you can get oil into them is to use this Myford supplied oil gun. It's not a grease gun, but it's an oil gun, and it always leaks and it's always empty when you need it. And for me it's a pain because I can't get into this these top oiling nipples because my shelf's too low, and you know, space is a premium. Anyway, after watching some of Stefan's fine videos, I took a tip from him and ordered some of these little hypodermic needly things. There we go. And what they are is, I think they're dosing needles or something, and they're blunt ended, and they're about 1 millimetre on the end, and they're hollow, and you can put them on anything. And what I've done is put them on my oil can. And it works great. It fits. If I take the tension off of there, it fits right into the hole there, and gets oil in there. You have to make sure it's charged. Gets oil right in, and works really well. And that one, it goes right in. So fantastic. And to fit them on my oil can, I just took a bit of shrink tube, plastic tube, because it was slightly too, can't even get it off now, so it was slightly too small, and squeezed it on. And Bob is your uncle, I would say, or Jean-Guy, is it? Who is your uncle? I don't know. You'll have more uncles. So there we go. Excuse me. Another top tip from the workshop. Great. See you next time. Bye for now. All that. Bye bye. Oh, I'll do some close-ups. There you have the nipple, and there you have the nipple pricker, and squirty squirt. Need a bit more oil in my oil can. Terrific. And that's a closey-uppy look of these. And these, they're made in China, and they were about $3 for 100 delivered. Really amazing, incredible, and highly recommended. Right, that's it for me. You have to make your own fun now. Goodbye.